Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just got this mint condition CVO streak light in. It's one of my favorite CVO colors. It's the white. So it was a simple stage 2 audio upgrade. He was just tired of blowing speakers with the boom audio system. He was tired of the amplifier coming loose in the saddlebag because it's only held in with double-sided tape. And he just wanted something that would play louder, had more mid-bass, and still took up no space. So we removed the boom amps from the saddlebags, we removed the boom harness and make it a completely clean install. We run, in this one we ran a Cicada BDA 600.4 in the fairing, and that was more power than the factory provided while not taking up any bag space. So we removed the harnesses, we kept the power locks working, and the lids is CVO, so it's got power locking lids. And it gave him more storage space in the bags because he didn't have the amp in the harness. We didn't use a bypass harness because you still have to leave the harness in the bag. So we completely pulled the harnesses, provides a super clean look, gives you more bag space, no more amplifiers in the bag, amp in the fairing. So this is a pretty simple setup. We did Cicada CH in the fairing. We did Hertz 690 Neos in the lids with the 5x7 to 6x adapters with the provision to keep the power locks. We ran Hertz 690 Neos in those adapters, and HCAD Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness. The bike sounds fantastic. Customer's completely happy, so now he has more power than factory, more volume, more mid-bass, and more bag space. Worked out perfectly all the way around. Check it out. Now that we've removed the harness, we made some block-off plates on the laser. So that covers up the hole left from the factory, and it gives you a nice clean look. Here's our adapter installed and the power lock retained. So now that we've removed the Harley amplifier, it gives us a lot more space in the bag and the wires are nice and neat. We built the block-off plate on the CNC. Gives you more bag space, amplifiers in the fairing. It's louder, clear, and more bag space. We removed the factory harness, but the power locks still work.
Fuerza del mar que se me de por tu pena, los clientes del sol que se te metió y no